CSS video tag. It has properties like source, path, width, height, controls, autoplay, muted, loop, and poster, thumbnail. Let's create video.html file. Change the title to Video. To insert video, write video tag. Drag and drop a video to your project file. Just put the path of video in source attribute. To see the result, open with Live Server. As the video size is very large, let apply width and height. To stop and start the video, apply Control. For automatic play, apply Autoplay. To off the music, apply Muted. To repeat the video apply loop. To apply thumbnail to the video apply poster. You can see a thumbnail image on front of video. You can also apply border and border radius to the video using CSS. In the next video, we will demonstrate CSS audio tag. CSS audio tag has the same properties as video, but audio does not have width, height, and poster properties. Just drag and drop an audio, and put the audio tag to start Apply Properties.